हे गोपालक हे कृपाजलनिधे हे सिन्धुकन्यापते हे कंसान्तक हे गजेन्द्रकरुणापारीण हे माधवा हे रामानुजा हे जगत्त्रयगुरो हे पुण्डरीकाक्षमां हे गोपीजननाथ पालय परं जानामि न त्वां विना. In this Pasuram, Ungal Purakkadai, Andal describes the Gopika using 3 words, which are also applicable to Swami Embirmanar: Nangai, Nanadai, Navudayai. Nangai refers to someone with guna paripurti, a storehouse of sattva gunas, someone who has both jnanam and anushtanam. Nanadai. The word nan here refers to the ego, ahankara mamakaram. Someone who does not have even a trace of that ego is called nanadai. Navudayai. Na means tongue. All of us have a tongue, but how we use it is what defines us. The true purpose of this tongue is to sing the glories of Sriman Narayana. Swami Embirmanar has revitalized the Sri Vaishnava Sampradayam, and it is his words that are echoing in our hearts and minds even today. Kanchi Swami draws multiple comparisons between a Maharaja, Embirman and Embirmanar, but the one pertaining to this Pasuram goes thus. A Raja, after hunting for long hours in the forest, comes back and relaxes with his queens in a lush garden. Similarly, Embirman, after destroying the enemies of his bhaktas, comes back and joyfully resides in the Divya Desams. Aramam Shurdavarangam, Aramam Shurdavarangam, Kanamangai Karar Maninira Kannanur Vinnaharam, Shirar Kanapuran Cherai Tiruvarundur, Karar Kudandai Kadigai Kadal Mallai, Yerar Porir Shur Idavendai Nirmalai, Shirarum Malirinjolai Tirumoggur, Paror Pugarum Vadarivada Madurai, Paror Pugarum Vadarivada Madurai. Embirmanar, on the other hand, has won over all those who were against the Vedas and then enjoys in the colorful, vibrant meadows of the Ubhaya Vedanta Pravachanams. This is the garden that Godha is referring to when she says Ungal Purakkadai Tottam. Embirmanar has brought back the Krita Yuga Dharma even in this Kali Yuga. He established 74 Madhatipatis to ensure that all rituals in the temples were taking place without being compromised. These Sishyas of Ramanuja always say Tava, 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 never Mama, Mama, Mama. According to them, Sriman Narayana is the reason for anything and everything, and they are on their way to complete their Bhagavat Kainkaryam. Tangal Tirukkoil Shangiduvan Podandar. But there is a deeper meaning to this. Tangal Tirukkoil can be split as Tangalil Tirumantram, Tiril Dvayam, Koil Charama Shlokam. It refers to the Rahasya Trayam, which is now going to be given to all those devotees who seek. To realize the existence of Bhagavan, some people rely only on pratyaksham. What I see is what I believe. Others also include anumanam. After all, there is no smoke without fire. Here, Godha takes all 3, pratyaksham, anumanam and shabdam. Pratyaksham can be seen when வெண்பல் தவத்தவர் தங்கள் திருக்கோயில் சங்கிடுவான் போதந்தார். Anumanam can be seen in Ungal Purakkadai, and Shabdam, that is the Vedas, the Shastras, can be seen in Yengalai Munnam Eduppuvan Vai Pesum. Such is the significance in this Pasuram. Alvar Emberimanar Jiyar Tiruvadigalే Sharanam.